Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download SFTP settings for secure transfers on VPS step by step clearly. To begin, log into your VPS control panel using your credentials. Navigate to the section where you can manage your server settings. Look for the option labeled SFTP or Secure File Transfer Protocol. Click on the SFTP settings option to open locate the section that displays your SFTP credentials. Take note of the server address listed there. Next, note your SFTP username and password. If a default password is displayed, consider changing it to enhance security. Locate the port number for SFTP, which is typically 22. Now, open your preferred SFTP client application. Common options include FileZilla, WinSCP, and CyberDuck. In your SFTP client, find the option to create a new site or connection. Enter the server address in the host field. Input your SFTP username in the appropriate field. Now, enter your password in the password input box. Set the port number to 22, or the specific port number noted earlier. Choose the connection type and select SFTP if prompted. Once all information is entered, save your connection settings. To test the connection, click on the Connect button. If all settings are correct, you should establish a connection to your VPS. Lastly, begin transferring files securely by dragging and dropping your files into the client interface. Remember to disconnect from the server after completing your transfers to maintain security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.